So hello everyone, good evening. So today my name is first I give myself. My name is Mohan Kunzam. So today I'm presenting HTML with CSS project. Right? Let's go. This is my CSS and I already explained same of all CSS. So next I explain style.css. Right? We can first run browser open with live server, right? So that you see profile my portfolio, right? So profile I just entered and right, you can see I presenting HTML dot style.css, right? Content section, so which is related to HTML profile, right? Profile related to this is HTML. This is my profile. This is my homepage. This is profile, right? I there is view my profile. This is all background. Uh, background I change just because not change, but there is not so right. I give just profile HTML. Which is property content section, right? Profile image. This is a means profile image, right? This is my profile image. I give width 180 pixel. I give height 180 pixel. I just comment, so not modify to image size already see big image, right? I just comment profile image, right? Welcome message, font size 13 pixel, 30 pixel, and font weight 70 0, right? And description, profile section means profile section. I comment just there is not defined size. Oh, sorry. Right. Profile picture, display flex. I give display flex. Uh, profile heading, margin, bottom, profile image, right? Footer means this is a footer. Background, contents section for our background, color, red. I don't know which is the what is HTML. This is right. Transition means trans transition is affecting. For example, transition.